G'day folks, Scott from Wurth. Really excited to be talking to you today. I want to introduce you to a new kid on the block. Now this is our aerosolized can of RPR. Now you're saying, okay Scott, we have RPR in a 20 litre drum. Yes we do, and as you can see it's right over here, rubber and plastic rejuvenator, but now you've been asking for this for a long time and we're able to offer you the can of the same product. So very, very handy. What is it? It's RPR, so it's a rubber and plastic rejuvenator. So what it does is it's designed to go on all your unpainted plastics, vinyls and rubbers. So your sidewalls and your car tires, your bumpers, farm machinery, mining equipment, any plastic or rubber or vinyl that's unpainted, you can drop this onto. And what it does is it seeps into that base material and it rejuvenates it, as it says in the name of the product. So it rejuvenates it and it puts a film over the top of it and it protects it from the elements, because our sun here in Australia is quite harsh. And then you see with your plastics, unpainted plastics over time, they start to get that little white chalky film on them, and then they start to become brittle and then they break, costing you time, costing you money, downtime on your machinery, your broken bits on your cars. So what this product does is it seeps into that base material, puts a nice coating on it, nice satin finish, and it just increases the life of that product. So yeah, I cannot tell you how good this product is. We need to test it. So let's stop with the talking and let's get to the doing and show you exactly what I mean by this fantastic product we have. Okay, so the proof is in the pudding, folks. As you can see, we just tried it on a car tyre and it just looks amazing, and it will protect the sidewall on that tyre for a long time. Come rain, hail or shine, it'll still look really good for a number of months to come. So I just cannot talk highly enough about this product. So do yourself a favour. It's available now and it's in packs of 12 cans at the moment. So make sure you get out there and you get them, because these are going to absolutely just fly off the shelf. So as always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like our page, and remember, the new RPR in a can is ready for work.